Do you want to go from a skinny guy to building muscles quickly? Then you have landed on the right video. I have spent my entire adult life trying to pack on muscles, and after years and years of trial and error, I have finally cracked the code, which I will be sharing with all of you in this video. So stick with the video till the end because I have some very exciting tips to share in this video. Hey everyone, welcome back to Health Insiders, and if you're new to the channel then make sure to subscribe to learn more about health, nutrition and fitness. Also, all of our videos are backed by science with the links to all the scientific journals in the description. Let's first talk about what is bulking. In simple words, bulking is structuring your diet and exercise program to deliver the greatest possible muscle gain. The key part of bulking is giving the body the fuel that it needs to grow. This means being in calorie surplus, which is consuming more calories than you burn throughout the day. While bulking, it is very important to know what to eat and when to eat. Similarly, a successful bulk also requires a workout program that is designed with maximum muscle growth. This usually means a traditional bodybuilding program with minimum low intensity cardio, which unnecessarily burns the calories without even building muscles. Now, it is important to understand that bulking is usually the first phase of a two-part program. The second phase is cutting or shredding, in which you reduce your caloric intake and focus on burning the excess fat. And when do well, these two phases combine to quickly increase lean muscle mass without having much of an impact on your body fat percentage. Now, if you're considering doing bulking, then let me show you how I would do a bulking cycle. First thing you need to do is to understand your baseline. This means taking a note of where you are currently at with things like your total body weight, lean mass and body fat percentage. This also means having a clear view of your caloric intake that you need in order to maintain your current weight. Once you have your baseline, you should spend some time thinking about what you want to achieve from your bulk. Consider the muscle gains that you would like and how much fat you are comfortable putting on. Also, think about your schedule and how long you want to bulk for. And once you have walked through all of this, you can finally plan exactly how you are going to approach your bulking cycle. This should include details of your eating plan, workout plan and supplement stack. Eating plan. While a bulking diet can be more relaxed than a cutting diet, you should still plan it very carefully. This will help to ensure that you are actually hitting the caloric surplus you require for muscle growth. It will also help to make sure that you are getting all the nutrients and minerals that you need to maximize your gains. A good way to keep track of your micros and macros would be by using a food tracking app on your phone like MyFitnessPal, which is what I personally use. Workout plan. Just like your diet, how you train when you're bulking have a significant impact on your gains. Even though your workout may not be as intense as they are when you're cutting, but they still need to be very carefully planned. This will help you make sure you're getting the most from your gym sessions and recovery time. Supplement stack. Similar to eating and working out, taking the right supplementation will help you maximize the effectiveness of your bulking cycle. This could be done by helping you hit your target caloric surplus or by boosting your body's natural performance. You may even want to incorporate some specialized products like creatine or BCAAs to optimize your muscle gain and speed up your recovery. I've made a complete guide on the best supplements for muscle gain, which will be linked in the top right corner. So make sure you check that out after watching this video. Bulking is mainly about how you structure your diet. So let's look at what you should eat while bulking. At simplest level, it is really just a caloric equation. You bulk by eating more than you burn. And how quickly this gap is will depend upon how quickly you want to put on mass. That being said, what you eat while bulking has a major impact on the progress you make. Broadly speaking, there are two main approaches to structuring your diet while bulking. First, there is clean bulking. This is where you mainly eat whole, unprocessed foods on increasing your protein intake. It is generally a more strict approach with a smaller daily caloric surplus done for a long period. This usually means more modest mass gain but also less excess fat to be cut once you have finished bulking. Second approach is dirty bulking. This is where you put on the most mass possible in the shortest period of time. It generally involves a lot of calorie-dense food including junk food and a higher daily caloric surplus. This usually means larger mass gain but potentially more fat to be cut once you have finished bulking. Both of these approaches are equally legit and could help you achieve your desired gains. Each have its pros and cons, and the best path for you will depend on your personal preference and bulking goals. So whichever route you choose, the key to perfecting your bulking diet is creating a caloric surplus. Again, exactly how much this should be depends upon your bulking goals, timeline, and maintenance calories. However, a surplus of between 250 calories for a slower bulk and 1000 calories for a faster bulk is very common. Once you have worked out your new target total caloric intake, you can now come up with your eating plan. You should focus significantly on increasing your protein intake, as this will fuel lean muscle growth. Generally speaking, you should aim for a daily proteins intake of approximately 2 grams per kg of your body weight. So keep this in mind. Bulking diets are often rich in meat and poultry, seafood, dairy, legumes, nuts and seeds, and oil and butter. If you need more information, then you should check out other videos on our channel regarding nutrition and subscribe for more upcoming videos. Alright guys, that is all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys walked away by learning something new. And if you have any question, please leave it down in the comment section. I respond to every single comment, and be sure to follow us on the social media. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, as it helps the YouTube algorithm and for more awesome content in the future. It will mean the world to us. Once again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in next one. Peace.